Hi guys, and welcome back. So we ended the last video on row 34. So we're going to continue on to row 35. This is what we have going so far. We're working from the top down. So this is Batman's head and we've got his wings. So to start off row 35, so these rows are going to get like quicker and quicker because we're going to start filling in the black. So there's going to be like a lot of black sections where I'm going to be pausing them to do these big sections here. And it's going to be like a lot of repeats as well. So when I tell you to do like 3 rows of this sequence, it's because it's just repeating itself and I don't want to have to keep coming back and saying, okay, do this again, and then do this again. You know what I mean? So for row 35, we're going to do 2 white. Let me zoom in here. So 2 white. And then 2 black. We're going to do 5 yellow, going under that loop, 3, 4, 5. You're going to do 82 black. Okay, so you're going to go under that loop into that yellow stitch there. And again under that loop. And then what you could do is you can actually cut off this black bobbin and this yellow bobbin. And then you can also cut off this yellow one and this black one, because we're basically working ourselves all the way across. So you're going to do 82 black stitches. Alrighty, so I completed my 82 black stitches, so that's what it should be looking like there. So now you want to do 5 yellow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 black, and 2 white to end row 35. Chain 1, and you're going to turn your work. Okay. So row 36, you're going to do 2 white, 2 black, and 4 yellow. So this is going to be one of those rows that are going to repeat themselves 2 more times. So 4 yellow. Okay, so instead of 82, you're going to do 84 black stitches. So 84 black. 84 black done. So now I'm going to do 4 yellow, 2, 3, 4, 2 black, 2 white to end row 36, so for row 37 and 38, you're going to repeat what we just did. So if you wanted to go back to the beginning of row 36 and just repeat it 2 more times, and that will do row 37 and 38. So again, you're going to do 2 white, 2 black, 4 yellow, 84 black, 4 yellow, 2 black, 2 white. So repeat that sequence for 2 more rows. Alrighty, so I did row 37 and 38, which was the same as row 36. And this is where we're at. So yours should be looking like this as well. So now we're going to go on to row 39. And it's kind of the same, except for instead of 84 black, we're going to do 86 black. So row 39, we'll start with 2 white. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Do you guys like the zoomed in version, or do you prefer, being a little further away? I never know which one is good for you guys or which one you guys prefer. So 2 black, 3 yellow, 2, 3. Oh, I need another black bobbin. Okay, so now we're going to do 86 black stitches. 86 black done. I'm going to do 3 yellow, 2 black, 2 white to end row 39. For rows 40 and 41, you're going to repeat what we just did. So 2 white, 2 black, 3 yellow, 86 black, 3 yellow, 2 black, 2 white. So I'll see you back at row 42. Alrighty, so we're on to row 42. So I did rows 40 and 41 with the 86 black stitches. So for row 42, we're going to do 2 white, 2 black, 4 yellow, 'Pick up that black. So we're going to do 84 black stitches. So we're going back to like row 36 and 37 and 38. So that's basically what we're doing. So 84 black stitches. 84 black done. Gonna do 4 yellow, going into that black stitch, under that loop, 3, 4, 2 black, and 2 white to finish row 42. So you're going to do this again for rows 43, 44, 45, and 46. So 4 more rows of doing the 2 white, 2 black, 4 yellow, 84 black, 4 yellow, 2 black, and 2 white. So repeat this again for 4 more rows, 43, 44, 45, 46. Okay guys, so I've completed until row 46. So from row 42 to 46 was a repeat, and this is what you should have so far. I gotta weave in these ends here. So now we're going to do row 47. So let me zoom in here. Okay, so we're gonna do 3 white, pick up that black, so that's 3 white, gonna do 2 black, pick up that yellow, and do 4 yellow, one, 2, 3, pick up that black, 4 yellow, and then we're going to do 82 black. 82 black done. Gonna do 4 yellow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 black, and 3 white to end row 47. And then you're going to repeat that for row 48.